I understand the anxiety of every user who can't open TikTok properly on iPhone. Today's video will share 3 ways to solve the problem of TikTok keeps crashing on iPhone. Way 1. Clear TikTok app cache. You can go to General Options on Settings. Tap iPhone Storage. Click the TikTok icon and then select the Offload App option, which will free up the storage space used by the application, but retain its files and data. And you can click on Delete App to uninstall the app, then reinstall it. Way 2. Check iPhone storage space. The TikTok keeps crashing error appears to be a low memory warning from the iPhone, so you need to check iPhone storage space. Open your phone settings and click on General. Click on iPhone storage. Check the memory usage information. You can delete apps on iPhone to free up its space. Way 3. Fix iOS error on your iPhone with third-party tool. Reinstall iOS Repair Genius is an amazing tool that can deeply fix iOS system failures. It can fix TikTok app keeps crashing on your iPhone. Go to download the software on Reinstall official website. Install it on the computer. Then make sure the iTunes is installed on the computer. Launch the software and select Standard Mode. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the computer, then put it into recovery mode. Click Download to get the firmware package. Click Repair to enter the restoration operation. After completing the repair process, the iPhone will reboot. You can then go and check if the TikTok on iPhone is working properly. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.